Cash for Crimes Criminal Scheme Part 18. Cover-up by the Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court John Roberts and my reply and request to reconsider his cover-up. On December 17, I received a response letter dated December 11 from the U.S. Supreme Court's clerk, Scott Harris, on behalf of the Chief Justice John Roberts, saying, "This court has no authority to institute or conduct investigations." The response letter deliberately concealed the purpose of my request, which is the transfer of my petition. The letter also concealed the most important fact that I addressed it specifically to the Chief Justice John Roberts, as the presiding officer of the U.S. Judicial Conference, but not to the entire Supreme Court. The Chief Justice had the clerk Harris conceal that, in order to cover up the serious cash for crimes criminal scheme. My request letter returned to me had a received stamp, indicating that my request was received on December 11. However, the response letter had the same date of December 11, showing that the letter was prepared on the same day on emergency basis in order to cover up this serious criminal scheme. It shows that in order to address an issue, the U.S. Supreme Court takes days and forever, but to cover up the serious issue with criminal scheme by federal judges, it only takes the same day. The same-day response with the cover-up of my request without even referring to the actual purpose, shows that the Chief Justice Roberts had already made up his mind to cover up the serious criminal scheme by federal judges, based on the email requests I had already sent to Director Conrad on November 14. The same-day cover-up shows how the bribery and millions of dollars using illegal money from India, by Venkatesh and his family, is able to control all the way up to the Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court John Roberts. The people deserve much, much better than this and a real and credible Chief Justice. On December 19, I sent a reply letter to the Chief Justice, which was delivered on December 22. In that reply, I put forth the attempted cover-up by Chief Justice Roberts and explained how there is a serious lack of oversight and accountability by the U.S. Judicial Conference for the serious crimes and bribery by federal judges. Hence, I requested the Chief Justice John Roberts to reconsider his decision to cover up the serious crimes and requested him to transfer my petition for review and to order for investigation of the Cash for Crimes criminal scheme.